Hello guys, this is Aryan, and in this video I'll be sharing 10 lines essay about the Champaran Satyagraha. Number 1. The Champaran Satyagraha started in 1917. Number 2. It was led by Mahatma Gandhi. Number 3. It was the first Satyagraha in India. Number 4. The movement took place in Champaran, Bihar. Number 5. The farmers were forced to grow indigo. Number 6. Mahatma Gandhi was invited to help by local leaders. Number 7. He investigated the farmers' plight. Number 8. Mahatma Gandhi met with the British authorities. Number 9. The movement ended forced indigo farming. Number 10. Champaran Satyagraha inspired future movements. So guys, thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, kindly subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. Thank you.